What is everyone doing today? There's a bunch of little stuff I got glued up. These are actually going to be sides for a recipe box. This is black walnut, teak, and then a light colored walnut. We'll see. This is an experiment. But that's what I got going on there. And then my latest project I just finished. This bad boy right here. You see that? Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Black walnut and rainbow poplar. Man, hear that wind? We got 60-mile-an-hour winds outside today. So I'm trying to do as much inside as I can. This is my latest project. I went with something different, like an art palette with one hole. It actually fits really comfortably in my hand. So I think it's going to work. So this is the latest finished project. And something big happened. Exciting. I had a old wrestling buddy that I called up, and he owns a sawmill, and told him I needed some stock, and he hooked me up. Look at these live slabs I got from him. Look at these. This is going to be a table, and this is honey locust. Look at the color difference in the grains. This is amazing. Here's another cutout of a charcuterie board I'm working on, and then this is the current one that I'm working on right now. I had to fill in, there's a knot there and a little tiny one, and I take the walnut sawdust and I put a little glue and fill the hole up, and then I pack it with the sawdust. It's not an exact match to the wood, but it's pretty close, and it's sandable. So that is how I fix like holes, little knots. Doesn't work for big holes, but little knots and stuff, you can pack it with the sawdust and you'll be able to sand them out. But this is the latest one that I've started here. I'm still in sanding process. I got to cut out the holes here. But look at the stock he gave me here. Okay, I got these. Some of these are 10 foot. There's honey locust, maple, walnut. He gave me some sassafras. Like, look at these. Look at this walnut piece. Look at this. These are all live edge slabs. Urban sawmilling. Ask about it. His name is Adam, and this guy knows his stuff. Look at this walnut piece for a butcher block I'm making. Walnut. This is going to be a shelf, I think. There's so many possibilities. This is just a plain walnut log that I get to mill down into boards and do whatever I want with. But look at these. These are gorgeous. And then here, these are 12-foot sassafras. And I think these are going to be turned into some hallway tables. But anyways, I have an enormous stock of wood right now, so I'm going to be busting out projects left and right. This shop's really starting to kind of take a shape here, so that's quite refreshing because things are becoming a lot more productive. Still in the making though, but we're getting it. And shout out to my buddy Chippy for all the sandpaper. Loaded me up. Thanks a lot, man. But yeah, if you guys are looking for live slabs for like epoxy tables or whatever project you got, Urban Sawmilling in Joliet, highly recommend them. But that is what Zia has been up to. Just been playing around in the shop, trying to make sense of all this. That's how he marks them. That's a honey locust slab there. Yep. we are making progress. I guess till the next episode, everyone. Happy farming. Later.